Hello my friends. Hey, I'm doing alright today. Today's a beautiful day. Gonna do some audio in my Infiniti. We're going to change these JBLs to the front doors, and we're going to put in. We're going to take out these factory bows that's in here. These factory paper ones, and we're going to replace them with some better ones. Finally got some that are, I decided to, those are crapped out, so crackling and popping. Back one's still going really good, so we're going to go over here. I got these in the box. I've already unboxed them. They're the Alpines. They're the same wattage as the other ones. We're going to go with these. I was going to try to go back with JBL, but I couldn't find any in my budget, so I'm going to get these. So I've got all my wires, and I got all these separated. I'm going to use them. I've got my little box here. It's got some things here. I don't have any shrink wrap, so I'm probably just going to use these to tie into the factory wiring. I got them all back in. They fit a little nicer too. They fit a little nicer than the JBLs around here. A little thicker wall, not as much space. See a bit light right there, but not as much space. I think I was losing some air there around there. Do a little reinforcing. I don't have any sound dampening, so I took some of the Scotch tape and doubled it up a couple times. Get a little bit of that flex out of that center. But yeah, and then up there, and these here. Sorry about the sunlight. They don't have much of a seal. These is the other ones. I don't know. Well, all right. Well, let me get the door panels off and get these JBLs in the doors, because probably sound better in there anyway, because they have plastic buckets they set in. So, all right. They sound. I've had them hooked up. They sound really well. They sound not pretty loud, and they not much distortion. I'm pretty happy. These are 60 RMS, 160 peak. So yeah, just enough for my Pioneer head unit, because I got another Pioneer head unit. My other one crapped out on me, so I got another one. It's a doubled in. It's an upgrade from the other one. It has a little bit more features than I want anyway, so I'll show that too. The door panel come off here. I can get those clips out. I don't have a pick or something to get those clips out of there, so I just turn it sideways. It's just a bad one, crusty. Got my polarity right. Green is positive, black is negative. Cut there, and I'm gonna use these guys because I don't have any shrink wrap. And yes, I'm gonna keep these. I didn't order any. I'm just gonna cut it and keep these in case I sell the car and throw them back in or something. Anyway, I'm gonna throw these in there. So let's see how they fit. I was gonna set you guys up, but I have no way to set you guys up. So that terminal's all set up. I'm going to use these. I'm ready to hook it up. Put them on the end of these here. I know which one is negative and positive, so I don't have any color coordinated. I'm just going to go by that stripe there. Got them all in. Let's see how they sound. They look really good in this syrup bucket. It's really well. Looks nice. I like it. Anyway, not really much of an install video. Just showing you guys what I was up to. Door panel on that one. They fit really nice. They don't hit the inside of these here either. I took the felt paper off the back right there, so it's on the back side. Got it off. I didn't like it. All right, you guys. Y'all have a good one, and we're out of here.